Hello everyone, well it's Sunday afternoon. It's a beautiful day here in East Tennessee. I'd take a few more of these, but I got my help up here. Kiddos is up here loading this metal up. I enticed them, told them they come up here and get this metal pile cleaned up. I could let them to go to the scrap yard and see what they can get out of it. Which my little boy, him and mom's over there riding the buggy around the hill. He loves going to that place. It's amazing to him. So anyway, we'll go out there the next few days and they can sell this metal, see if they can get anything for it. So we'll sit here, I'm gonna sit here and watch them clean this up. It's kind of enjoyable. It's a pleasure. You having fun, Palin?
Yeah, I like making racket and throwing stuff.
You like making racket and throwing stuff. Now that is a true statement. What about you, Brantley? You enjoy cleaning up metal?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just don't like the gloves.
Well, it's probably safer with them than without them, Palin.
What?
It's probably safer with them.
Let me make my hands
All right, kiddos, you're down to the crumbs. You got a pretty good load of metal there. Brantley, how much you think you can get out of that?
$45.
45 bucks?
Yep.
I'm gonna guess 32. How much you think, Palin?
$2,000.
$2,000?
Yep.
I think you might be a little too high. You want to guess again?
Yeah.
How much?
1,000.
1,000. I got you. Hey, this girl here now is a glass half full instead of half empty kind of girl. You my kind of thinking, Palin. Hey, good job there, kiddos. All right, Kristen, what are you doing? Did you lock the key up in the tractor?
I sure didn't. But I know someone who did, and it looks like he's a bit of a mess here.
Looks like
Guess
you.
what I'm going to have to start doing is keeping the spare key so that I can come let you in when you have these mishaps.
Well, if you can notice, Kristen was up here after I left last night. Come up here and drove a tractor, and she's left the key in it and locked the door.
On the ladder.
You on the ladder? Is that safe?
Yeah.
Is it? What you got there?
Who let you get on the ladder? Mommy or Daddy?
Daddy.
That's right. Hey, you gotta learn to climb them at some point, don't you, Reed? That's right. All right, Mom, you think you're gonna be able to get the door unlocked? Oh, you're close. We'll report back. Kristen, it'd be easier if you just reach in there and grab that and slide it over that. Hey, keep up a good work here.
It'd been easier if you would have took the key out of the ignition when you got out of the car and not or out of the tractor and not locked the door.
Well, that probably, you might have a point.
Hey, Travis, after his screw up of, if y'all can see the keys over there hanging in the ignition, then big goofball decides to lock the door. He claims to be smart, but I question that at times. This being one of those times.
Thanks for your support there, sweet pea.
Be real helpful too if he remembered where he put the spare key. If you could just squeeze your finger in there and push it down.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
It needs to go around it.
Come on. You gonna do a trick shot? All right. Good. Hey, get you another one. See if you can make it in from the edge of the building. Okay? I'm gonna test you from right here. All right. See if you can throw it in the bucket from right there. Hey, attaboy. Pretty good, dude. Sis, you having any luck?
Well, almost. I've got it like a couple times.
All right, I'm gonna have to pull it out. And,
Papa messed up my path though. Mommy's.
Hey, Reed, you got work your brother and sister both, can't you?
Hey.
Throw that in there, dude. Them some cool looking work mittens you got on there, Reed. Attaboy. All right, Mom.
If you ever need a break in your tractor, just give me a call. I'm available.
Good.
Baby, that's right.
All right,
It
Reed.
just proves that women can do anything.
That's
and
right.
Even better than men at times.
Well, that's good. Hey, we got a lot of stuff you can show me off on up here. Show me up. Hey, you got that bank back there and that grass sowed on? All these rocks spread? Hey, Kristen, I'm glad you have let me know. I hear you. Hey, she got us in. Let's load some junk up and haul it down there to the burn pit, Reedy. Well, we had a pretty productive afternoon and had a little fun too, didn't we?
Yeah.
Kiddos, they got the trailer loaded up with metal, got all it cleaned up. We got the wood and trash pile hauled out. As high as lumber is now, I stacked up some of that short stuff. We'll need some for blocking probably inside the building, and then when we form up for the house over there, we may need it. So anyway, it'll make us feel a little better when we come up here and everything's cleaned up and clear. So anyway, if you watched, we appreciate it. And hey, we'll catch you on another one.
See ya. Bye.
What'd you think about it, Reed? Did you like that place?
Yeah.
That's some pretty cool stuff, isn't it?
What's Maxie do?
They was smashing them cars, wasn't they?
Yep.
Yeah.
Metal.
You like to come up here, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay, well, hey, your brother was the closest. $50.40. I think he guessed $45, so.
Where's
Hey.
my dollars?
Hey, we'll have to see. Hey, we'll get you a cut out of that too, all right?
Okay.
Tell everybody bye.